Hi, I'm Tim Carter, co-founder of Stain Solver. I want to show you how easy it is to clean outdoor furniture cushions like I'm sitting on using certified organic Stain Solver. You can use the same method to clean boat cushions, hammocks, or any other outdoor fabric. Mix 2 tablespoons of Stain Solver with 16 ounces of warm or hot water. Stir for 1 minute until all of the Stain Solver powder dissolves. Apply the solution to dry fabric, making sure it really soaks in for the best results. It's best to work in the shade. Allow the solution to work for 15 minutes. You can add a little liquid dish soap to the cushion and scrub with a brush. Keep the surface wet with the solution. Rinse with clear water and allow to dry. Holy tomato, look at the difference. It's amazing, isn't it? I only cleaned the top half of the cushion to be able to show you the before and after. You can see the line right here where it's clean above and still dirty below. The key, remember, is to make sure you start with a dry cushion so that the Stain Solver solution can soak in. And let the Stain Solver work on its own for 20, 30, 40 minutes maybe. Work in the shade, scrub if you want with a little bit of soap, and rinse it, and you know what? I think you're going to get results just like this. Remember, it works on boat cushions, any outdoor furniture, any outdoor fabric. You're going to get fantastic results. If you've got questions, go to the FAQ page at stainsolver.com, or if you would prefer to talk to us, it's simple. Our phone number is at the bottom of every single page of stainsolver.com. Remember, Stain Solver is your everyday, everything certified organic cleaner.